Hello guys, this is God's Power. So today I'm going to show you how you can make money online for completely free. So if you are that type of person that want to make free money online, you need to watch this video to the end and I will show you step by step how everything works. So today I'm going to show you how you can make money for watching ad and get paid. For completely task, you get paid. For doing very simple thing and you get paid. So watch this video to the end and I will show you step by step. So that is it, guys. For those of you who don't know me, my name is God's Power and I make video on my YouTube channel a way on how you can make money. As you can see, there's a lot and a bunch of video on my YouTube channel that helps you a way on how you can make money online for completely free. So I don't want to take your time. Let us just head over direct to this website that will allow you to make money for completely free. So this is the website which is called Ojo. So this website Ojo allows you to make money for viewing other people websites. So there's people that is partnering with Ojo. They come to Ojo, they create ad, and what you as a viewer will do, you go and view all those ads, you get some commission. You get paid from 1 cent to 5 cents for just clicking on all those ads. So don't worry, don't say it's little. There's a lot of way you can make money with this method. You can refer people and you can watch video and you can pay people to work for you on this website. So I just want you to watch this video to the end so that I will show you everything. Not just go and click off and say I already know how it works, let me just go and do it. No, watch it to the end so that you know how it works. So keep on watching and don't forget again, subscribe and like this video. Thank you very much if you do that. As you can see here, what it says, earn money by viewing advertisements. So that is what they do. And if you come down here, you can see the type of advertisement you are going to be viewing. Something just very simple like this, like burger. You know, burger used to do very simple ad on internet, and people see it and they click on it and they go and buy the product. So but what you are just going to be doing, you are not going to be buying a product, but you are just going to be viewing it, and Burger is going to pay you some commission. Burger is going to pay Ojo, and Ojo will pay you your own part of this commission. So that is how it works. And if you come down the benefit here, so let me just try to read out everything that concerns the benefit. It say aim watch aim watching advertisement, earn money in really easy way. Watch advertisement, get up to 4 cents per click. You can also earn money by watching audio videos, making simple tasks or offers with personally offer. The advertise, make sure that your website will be seen by thousands of different people. With Ojo watching ad, you can advertise already from $1, and make sure your website seen by 500 people using our service. Are sure that you have a full control over your advertisement campaign. And they recommend us is the referral program. So you refer people to this program. So if you see at the bottom left hand side here, which is recommend us, so recommend us, use our referral program, recommend Ojo watching ad to others, get reward for that. You get credit for every click of your referral. Also, you can get up to $20 bonus, which will upgrade his account to privilege. Which, if you upgrade your account to privilege, you can see here they have almost 36k people using their platform, as you can see there, and they have almost 2 billion click, 2 billion plus click on their website. As you can see, they have 10 $20 bonus if you are referring people and you are making a lot of money with this program. So as you can see, this example of the advertisement. So you can see this ad, you can see this ad, you can see this ad. So all those people, they are advertising on Ojo. So that is all you just need to know in that area. So to sign up is very simple. Click on sign up, and once you click on sign up, it will take you to this page. You enter your username, password, email, your email here. You enter the person that refer you. You can enter me in that place for the person that refer you, or you just click the first link on the description that will take you to Ojo. Normally, when you click on the first link, it takes you to my website, and on my website, it will take you to direct blog. I blog about Ojo, and you will click the visit site here, visit site, you see visit site button, and that button will take you directly to Ojo. So yeah, if it's not maybe yeah, I will not update the link immediately because I'll create a blog personally for you, my subscribers. So click on the first link, it will take you to my website, and on my website you can click on Neat, and it will take you directly to Ojo, and you will sign up. So to sign up, and click on verify that I'm not a robot, and once you click on verify I'm not a robot, and at the bottom you accept the terms and condition, yes, and here you click on register. So that is how it works. It's very simple. So that is how you can register on Ojo. So the next part is to log in. Once you have registered, just click on sign up. They will send you a verification email. So what you have to do, you click on the email, you verify your account. Once you have verified it, now is the session to log in on your account. So to log in, you just need to click on log in. So once you click on login, it will take you to this page. So all you just need to do here is to enter your password and your username here. So once you enter it, wait for the capture to pop up, and you will click on I am not a robot at the bottom, and you click on log in, and it will log you in automatically. So once it have logged you in, then what you are going to do next is to start doing what I just said. You watch ad and you get paid. So it's the first thing I will just show you when we land on the website. So let us log in now. So as you can see, we have just clicked on log in. So it's logging us in now. It's logging us in. So we are just going to be patient, and boom, our account just opened. So as you can see, we just log in on our account, and now it will take us to our home page, which is the dashboard. So usually when you want to go to your dashboard on your computer, you need to click on your username. It will take you directly to your dashboard. So as you can see here, I have 74 clicks, and I have 74 clicks. So to start watching ad is very simple. Click on this section that say pay to click ads. Click on it, pay to click ads. So once you click on pay to click ads, it will take you to this section where you have to get paid to click ads. So as you can see, you know that we have 74 clicks. So if you click on one now, you see that the money will be added. So every ad you click, you see at the bottom how much you are getting paid. For 5 seconds, you are going to get 1 cent for clicking ad. So click on it, and once you click on the ads, it's going to play. Just be patient. You will see something that is going to pop up here. You see this thing that pop up, say take time to visit our sponsor site below. So we are just going to wait for this circle to run out white, and everything, make sure the round circle become white. So we are just going to wait. As you can see, it starts rolling, it starts rolling, it starts rolling. So you see it roll, everything becomes, say your click has been validated. You have earned 1 cent for watching this ad. So that is it. We just get paid 1 ad. So that is how you can watch ad and you get paid. You can do multiple here. You can watch a lot of ad here and you get paid for just doing that. So that is it. And as you can see, if we go back to our home page here, if you remember, it was 74. Now right now it will be 75 click that will be on our Ojo dashboard. So we are just going to wait for it to open properly. So let us scroll. As you can see, now it's 75 click. Before, if you scroll back and take the video back to that kind 6 to 7 minutes, let me say 6 minutes late, you will see that it was 75. As you can see, it's 75, and our price, our money will increase here. As you can see, the price was 66. Yeah, as you can see now, it have been added up. As you can see, the minimum amount you can credit out on this website is $1. So if you don't have the minimum amount of $1, and if you don't have the minimum amount of click, which is 100 click, you cannot be able to withdraw your money. So you need to have the minimum amount of $1, which means you will be able to cash out your money, and at the end of the day, the money will arrive into your bank account. So that is how it works. It's very simple. So you already know now how you can watch ad and get paid. So if you want to get paid for referring people to this program, you just click on the referrals. So when you click on the referrals, it will bring you to this page. When you click on direct refer, those are the people that you personally refer. When you click on rented refer, those are the people that you rented. And if you click on referral tools, those are the tools that you can use. So let us go to referral tools. So on this referral tools here, you are going to get links and different type of page that you are going to go and paste on your website if you have a website, or you can go and paste it on your blogs or that Google blog, and you can go and paste all those things. When people click on it and you start using Ojo, you will get a commission. So that is how the referring work. You get paid for referring people to this program. It's very, very simple. You already know now how you can refer people to this program. Just copy your link here, copy your link, and you go and paste it, and that is it. Copy the link, go and paste it, or share it to your friend, and when they click on it, they sign up with it, you will get a commission. So that is how it works. Let's click on the cash out fund. So here you will see that you cannot cash out because you don't have the minimum amount of cashing out. For you to see the cash out, you need to make sure you have at least, you have already clicked, do 100 click on your Ojo account. You will see the type of website or the type of payment method that you can use. But I know that Ojo have payment method which is called PayPal. If you don't have PayPal, so you can go and create your PayPal account so that you can receive your money on PayPal, and later you transfer your money from PayPal into your bank account. So that is how that area works. The Puza area is the area where you find different type of contests, but I don't want you to do that because that is not really important. You don't need to do contests. So on this session that say offers, here you find different type of offers. You complete any offers here. So let us click on personally. This is a session where you do type of offer. You answer question, you get paid. So you can see that every question you answer on personally, which is partnering with Ojo, you get paid up to 1 point is 5 cents. So 1 point is 5 cents, and that is it. So you get 1 point to 5 cents, and that is how they work. As you can see, if you get these 3 points when you are gotten this 3 points you see here now, if let me say you have this 3 points on your account, that means you have 15 cents on your account. So for every 1 point you get here, you are going to be making 5 cents. So that is how it works. It's very simple. What they do is very simple. You see email, you just fill up your email information, your phone number, and that is all. You will now be able to receive this 42 points. Is very simple. So that is how that session work, and you already know how Ojo works. So let me say you want to advertise on Ojo, you want to multiply your earning. So you can click on the purchase session. If you click on the purchase session, you'll see in different way the amount that you have used on or ojo.com. So but because you have not buy anything, you will not find anything. So when you click on advertisement here, you will see that you'll be able to refer the people you refer to this program. You can see what is going on and how much we earn for referring people to this program. As you can see, they have different plan when you upgrade on Ojo. They have standard plan, they have economy lead, and they have economy, and they have a privilege, and they have privilege plus. So the privilege plus, they are paying you 30%, and the rest they are paying 15% when you refer people to this program. They have different levels. So as you can see, let us read this. Let me read this test out. Say this is a special status possible only for the activity in recommending Ojo WAD advertisement. In order to obtain this status, it is necessary to sell advertisement for total amount of $300 in the last 30 days. The status will be assigned for the next 30 days. So on this part, you can do a lot of things. You can hear everything that they are saying there, and those are the type of ad you can see here. You can just copy all those ads and go and start pasting all those ads on YouTube or on other social media. Well, when people watch their video, then they will pay you some commission for referring people to this program. As you can see, those are recommended, and you can choose the file and the size of ad you want to go and start selling. So that is how it works. It's very, very simple. It's very, very simple. I hope you understand everything with my explanation, and I hope that this way help you a way on how you can make money online for completely free. So I already showed you everything, how Ojo works. I already tried to explain again, and try to make sure that you get what you are really looking for from Ojo. And you can multiply your earning by buying refer. So you can buy refer, and you buy people you like. People are now working for you. So if you want to buy people, you buy people and they will start working for you. So to buy people, you see this section that say upgrade, you can click on it, or you can come to this section that say buy referral. You can see this section that say buy referral. You click on it, click on this section that say buy referral. Here you will see that you can pay for different type of referral you pay for. If you pay for 225 people, this is how much you'll be getting per person. So if you have a lot of people, you'll be winning a lot of money. So you can click on any one of them you want to buy, add it to cart and buy referral, and you can multiply your money. But that is if you want to. So you can see 100 referral, you can see that you can be making $30. So it depends on you, but I recommend you, if you want, you can buy referral to multiply your earning. So that is it, guys. I'm going to end the video from here. I will say thank you very much if you watch this video to the end, and we end it from here. We'll see that we spend almost 18 minutes watching, making this video. So if you watch it to the end, I will say thank you very much. Don't forget again to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and share this video on to other of your friends. Maybe if you are not interested, they might be interested. Don't forget again, smash the like button and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on my social media. I am Rick Gospel on Facebook. I am Rick Gospel on Instagram. I am Rick Gospel on Twitter. So thank you very much, guys. And don't forget to check out my website, www.ugospel.com. Thank you very much. Peace out, and see you soon a way on how you can make money online. And bye bye. Peace.